Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Whole Linear Pattern, and Pocket. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. In step 1, we sketch the rectangular profile on XY plane and we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XY plane. Activate the Centered Rectangle tool and then sketch the rectangle at the origin. Let us add a fillet with the radius of 1 mm to the corners. Set all fillets equal. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and extrude it by 6 mm. In step 2, we create the 4 holes by using the FreeCAD Pocket and Polar Pattern tools. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. First, extract the reference edges for the dimensioning. Sketch a circle with a diameter of 3 mm. Next, assign the dimensions to the reference edges. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Now, we use the Linear Pattern tool to create the other 3 holes. Select the last pocket and then activate the Polar Pattern tool. In the dialog window, first set the direction in which the feature be transformed, then the distance between the holes, and then set the occurrences. In direction 2, set the parameters in X direction. Reverse the direction. In step 3, we sketch the slot profile to remove material from the created solid part with the help of Pocket tool. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Activate the Slot tool and sketch the slot on the horizontal axis. Select the 2 points and the symmetry axis and then activate the Symmetry tool. As you see, our sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 3 mm. In step 4, we create a hole and also remove material from the created part. Select the right side of the slot curve and then activate the Hole tool. Deactivate the Drill Angle option and then set the depth to 1.5 mm and the diameter to 4 mm. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 5, we create a hole with a diameter of 3 mm on the top surface. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. First, extract the reference edge. Sketch the circle on the vertical axis and then constrain it to the reference edge. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 3 mm. In step 6, we create a hole with a diameter of 5 mm on the slot surface. Select the slot surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Next, extract the reference curve to define the center point. Sketch the circle with the diameter of 5 mm at the center point. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option through all. In step 7, we create a hole with a diameter of 5 and 3 mm on the side of the created part. Select the front surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Sketch the circle with any diameter on the vertical axis. Dimension it 3 mm above the horizontal axis. We use this circle only to define the location of the hole. Select the sketch and then activate the Hole tool. In the dialog window, select the Head Type option Counterbore. Then set the other parameters according to the drawing. Click OK to confirm. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.